y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be restoring and refreshing the highlights on this wig. So long story short, I highlighted this wig and I sold it to this girl a year ago, and now she was asking me if I can restore and refresh the highlights on it. So you can see that on the bottom. Like, what was I thinking? Like, on the bottom it was just real dark, and it looks like I rushed when I colored it. So I threw some more highlights in on the bottom, and then you'll see later that I kind of skipped a whole section because the section towards the top, it was actually pretty good, but it was the bottom and some of the crown area that needed some more highlights. So you can see the highlighting technique that I'm using. If you're wondering, I use a 30 volume developer and I let it sit for about I think I let it sit for like 50 minutes because I had another wig to do. So you can see the skipping technique that I'm using. I'm not really focused on trying to get the same parts that I got. Like, I wasn't trying to get the darker parts that I was skipping. I don't know how to explain it, but I wasn't trying to be perfect with my placement. I just wanted to throw some brighter highlights in there so it could be brighter and it'll be less dull. So with the restoration part, I'm sorry y'all, it was like 9 o'clock at night and I was ready to get this done, so I didn't really film it. But really what I did was I used dishwashing liquid as my clarifying shampoo, and then I let the wig sit in some Aussie Moist 5-minute miracle for like 15 minutes, and you can see that she is silky, and I'm just in love with this. So for my flat irons, I use my Infinity Pro Conair flat irons. I am in love with they're not really new because I bought them for my birthday, and my birthday was in August, but I still call them new, and I just love how silky these flat irons get any kind of hair that I put them on. So this is what it looks like. See, it just looks so much brighter. There's more dimension in the color, and it just looks more professional. You can tell that my coloring skills have gotten better. So now I'm I'm laying the frontal down. I'm using a wax stick. I'm using a 2DJ wax stick. I'll link that in the description box below. She's a small business. Go check her out. And her hot combs. I think her hot combs get up to like 500 degrees. So yes, I love her hot comb and wax stick combination. It makes my wigs laid and slayed. So that's what I'm doing. I normally just put it on top, but somehow it just wasn't laying as flat as I wanted it to. So I split the frontal up into sections so I can get it as flat as possible. And now I'm just bumping the end so I can take pictures and videos of it. You can see the back, like, oh my god, y'all, that I did that. I really did that because, like, I need to start having more faith in myself, because I did not think it was going to turn out this good, but it turned out good. So I'm bumping the ends and I'm going back through it, because sometimes when I'm flat ironing wigs I get lazy towards the top, so I just did it again. So this is what the wig looks like. I am so happy she came and got it today. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.